Welcome to TECHDesign. We will guide you step by step on how to use RFQ. When the inventory for the part you are searching for is currently out of stock, no matching, or you have bulk procurement needs, you can utilize our RFQ feature to enjoy customized quotations. First, choose your preferred supplier. Input the required part number, packaging details, expected unit price, and the quantity you wish to purchase. If you have multiple components to procure, don't worry. Simply click the Add button to add more part numbers. To enhance the quality of service, please fill in the RFQ form with detailed information such as company type, company name, application category, expected latest shipment date, and shipping destination. Once completed, click Submit. We will promptly provide you with the relevant quotation. You will receive a notification via email, and you can click View Quotation to review. After accepting the quotation, you can proceed with the payment process. Once the payment is confirmed, we will expedite the shipping process. Thank you for choosing TECHDesign. We look forward to providing you with better service.